Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Sharp here. We are in the middle of our final part of our art project. So, Olivia is demonstrating a shark. So we've painted her foot blue.
I have.
And she's now squashed it down onto the paper. For this, there we go. For this, you will need an old towel, a washing up bowl, or a bowl of some kind with soapy water. We've got our paints and our different paint brushes. And you will be needing to be mentally prepared for a little bit of paint to maybe go on the floor. I haven't cleaned my floor today in preparation for this because I know I might have to spend a few minutes after just wiping up a little bit of paint. So Charlie, what are you making now for your picture?
A dunkleosteus.
That was a dunkleosteus. What is a dunkleosteus?
It's a creature and it can break metal with its teeth.
It does have strong jaws. Is it alive now?
No.
Where is it?
It's dead.
It's dead. What's the other word for that? It's extinct, isn't it? It's a prehistoric sea creature. If you have a Google of... Oh, hang on. Yeah. Are you ready? Put it down. Watch where it's going to go. Squash it down.
What should I do now?
You can do another one. So we're doing a dunkleosteus. Have a Google of what they look like. They're super cool. We'll add the... Oh, yeah, you can put a fin on.
Do I need it this way?
Yeah, have a look at Charlie's fins. So here, we've done a mermaid. So as you can see, Olivia did her footprint here. We added on the tail fins and the arms and the hair. When the mermaid is dry, we'll be adding on a face. Charlie's done his shark, so we'll be adding on eyes and a mouth. Here are the fish that we did on Wednesday. That's so good.
Here, you can put it.
So that's Charlie's there.
Put it on the phone.
Olivia's fish are here. And mine are there. I've got some straws here because we haven't stuck... Of course you can. We haven't stuck them down yet because we thought we might get some straws and turn them into puppets. So if you want to do an art project, you could make some puppets to go on top of a background. So we've been really busy all week. I'll just recap. We painted a background using paint. We went on the art hub and we learnt how to draw some animals. We did handprint fish, which was super easy to do. And we're now doing footprint sea creatures that are in the sea now. Using our imagination, mermaids and prehistoric creatures such as a dunkleosteus. So, okay, I'm going to have to go. That one's great. I'm going to have to go before we get paint everywhere. But thank you for watching. I hope we've inspired you to do some art and add to it every single day. Thank you again. What do you say, Olivia?
Bye-bye.
What do you say, Charlie?
Bye-bye.
Right, thank you for watching, everyone. Good luck.